Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ki nong hikai SSA hapo ka Shatri jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Association hapo ka jingalam uba Aristotle Rambai President haka arpo hanyo tari unai wiang arja arpusan kiralit benu kendo yu menteri bakmi ya katanat puliputhi ka sorkar jila uba adak ben remboi ban but dien biang halor kimat cintawa jong kaseng habakran shikilat pathai kubor uba Aristotle Rambai ula pentip banakalyang menteri ula kular baswa ka Christmas ka sorkar kan penteri kamno e ka pay structure nak benta barok gino hikai SSA haka jila Menteri ulo angru baka kam benta khalayat shat but an penteri kamno ya ka pay structure haswa ka Christmas long uba Aristotle nalor kata ulo ang habe daypat bat kajing hap ban tho ya ka examined gino hikai naklyang menteri ulo ang bah kita yo banwan un sadai hi hanong ba Delhi banakran halor gani ka kam
Mentakasi nakalian jongi ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body. Ngidon ka meeting ba di Honorable Education Minister sa Lakman Rumboy. Kapanongkong nakalian jongi ka association ngi ay kublay ya ka government. Kamtam hakabayday bat ka approval kabana nakalian jong ka kabinet kabala along haka ap kondaitrik jong 9 Oktober jong mata usnem kala approve nak benta ban rationalize yagini ki SSA school habaro kawe kecela tengi hi nakaliang jong association ngi ai kublay ya ka government and also your honorable chief minister sa kondat ke sangma ya ka education department hi baro kawe kamtam ro ya honorable education minister sa Lakman Rumboy. That is number 1. Number 2, kabahakan ka meeting mentakas ngi follow up yikitu ki pending issues ki jongi ki banakaliang jong ka government kala ai ya ka commitment hak ini ki banai ki bala dep kita ki issues ki long kumne ka number 1 hakabai dei ban pentri kam ya ka pay structure na bentaki SSA teachers habaro kawe ka jilla Meghalaya nakaliang jong honorable education minister ngi sukumen ba ipentip hangi mentakas ngi banakaliang jong ka department kala ya shat menta ban collect ya kidata hakabai dei bat ka service lani ka length of service jong kini kinong hikai SSA ki bahi hikai hapo state Meghalaya Borokawai pi balai ki hable ya kane ban shupin kan mau hak to meeting ka bangi di kindo bat bala chair da honorable chief minister isa kondar ke sangma bala long khatrik jong 9 Oktober hang to ngila shimlang ya ka decision ba on pentrai kam ya kane ka pay structure da ka ba shimru ya ka secure ya kane ka length of service ka length of service te kalani ka year of service ka bangila don ha ka kam kum kino ka SSA te ya ka ya ban collect ya ka data nakaliang jong ka department kala dep in stock ya baro kini ki SDSU ban pinbiang ya kani ka data bat ka kam kadang ya syai menta bat nakaliang jong honorable education minister ya pentip hangi ba ka government kalong very committed ba shwa jong ka Christmas kala ban announce ya ban pentri kam ya ka pay structure na benta kinong hikai SSA bat ka balong effective flow na do shitri kupnai April arjar arpundriu kata di number 1 number 2 ka issue ka bangya kren benta kalong hakabay day bat kanika special tet mo kani kalong ba hadin kumba pila TV hadin ba ka honorable supreme court ka shitri jong 9 September 2006 kala pemi ya ka ruling babaro ki in service teachers respective of the length of service ki haban pendep ya kanika teachers eligibility test te hakbay de bakani ngila follow up mentakas ni but nakaliang jongi education minister iya tu hangi ba hakbay de bot kuno ban conduct ya kanika teachers eligibility test ka department kala de pen kre na dong shadong henry ka concern jong ka government bat ka education department bat maihi kum education minister kalong ba ya ka eligibility criteria lakini kinong hikai ki baladon upaha ka service kilan em ban appear ya kanika tet ti ya tho hingi ma hangi mentakas ngi ba next week in Lake Delhi bani kendo ya ki concern authority jong ka ministry of education bat kumjuro ya ki concern authority jong ka NCTE khnang ban seek clarification hakabay day bat kanika eligibility criteria markat kum ka jingkwa ahi lani kat kum ka jing perkhat hi jong ka government ba ka NSTE bat ka Ministry of Education bakin consider ya ka service jong unong hikai kum ka eligibility criteria ti khnang ba kan long shai la ka government of India kan consider ni em ya kan nakaliang jong ka education department ba nakaliang jong i honorable education minister daladihi in late Delhi next week na banta tani ka kam. Age relaxation na banta kinong hikai SSA bakin yo pan apply kam hakini di government LP lene UP school balong vacant kumba pila atip nakaliang jong ka kabinet ma hauna December khatway trik jong na December arajar apusau kalami kawai ka office memorandum kabala grant ma nakaliang jong ka kabinet kala grant ba kini kinong hikai SSA bakan extend ya ka each jongki ban apply kam hagi government LP UP nakalai pun news nem syaka sabho san bakani country kam tang menta kini ki schedule tribe but schedule caste umde yaki general category te nakalian jong ka association ka bayde berkani ka bentang ye keren menta kolong ba nakalian jong ka government kan consider sayway benta but ita ilong ba kan ai ka one time consideration ya gitu kinong hikai kibala overage hakapo bapenmi ya kani ka office memorandum 11 December 2024 te hakapai de berkani ka benta nakal jongi education minister ila kren da basai namar kani kam syong tang haga department jongi in sa review but ya kani ka benta but in say kren ro but ka personal but ka law department hakapai de berkani namar ila pentip hangi ba house nam arajar khulai nakaliang jong education department kala depan ya ka one time relaxation nakabanta kito kinong hikai kibala pas ya ka teachers eligibility test house nam arajar aphuway but kibala overage bakin yo ban apply kam house nam arajar aphulai haki government LP but UP but ya kan ni ka government kala dep aya ka one time relaxation ti yong ba la ka government kan consider biang na em ya kan ni ka jingkwa jong ikum ka association nakabay de baglang benta ila ong ba in sa console but ka personal but ka law department but isang petit pat yang hagni ki candidates ni